Hello everyone. A friend of mine just gave me this awesome vintage snap-on toolbox, and if what I'm reading is correct on this back corner, I had to do some sanding to find it. Come on, focus. There you are. If what I'm reading is correct, I believe where it says Kenosha, Wisconsin, USA 61, I believe that means this is from 1961, which is awesome, and it's been painted before, you can see that. So I will be going back to that original reddish orange right there eventually. But I've had the drawers out because the slide on this side is not staying where it should, and it's sliding forward. I need to fix that, but the toolbox in itself is actually in pretty good shape. It's a little dirty, but it's in very good, I would say very good condition. And the bottom drawer, there you go, sorry about that. Need to lubricate the drawer guides a little bit. There's that logo. I'm loving that logo. This toolbox has a locking mechanism. I'm missing the lock, but I can always get one. Once the bottom two are pushed in all the way, the top one is pushed in all the way, it locks the middle and bottom drawer. Then once this is open, the drawers can open. So that is awesome. I don't know what originally went here. It might have been something to help keep this drawer closed, so you didn't have to hold it. But that is awesome. I wasn't going to restore this thing, but seeing how old it is, being older than the Charger from 1961, I will definitely be restoring this thing. I'm getting some hammer and dollies to try to clean up the metal a little bit, try to get it a little bit more flat. I know it's just a toolbox, but you know, I'll do what I can, like to clean up that hole right there to get it a little more even. But yes, that is my new vintage 1961 snap-on toolbox, and I'll see y'all later.